Your safety is not in the outer world. It's not in a specific person. Your safety is there in the intentions you're moving toward and your self-compassion. Wish for yourself. May I be happy. May I connect to joy. May I be healthy and feel my strength. May I do what feels important to me and what feels natural to me. May I listen to my emotions. May I stay authentic no matter what happens in the outside world. Acknowledging that it takes courage to find unity, including with yourself. Thanking life for all the moments it will ask courage of you. And thanking your life path for all the things you were once afraid of that you're no longer afraid of.